Now, let's talk about an example that blends the fundamental theorem of calculus, indefinite integrals, definite integrals, and u substitution. So the question is to find the definite integral from 0 to 1, 3x minus 2 squared dx by using substitution. Okay? And in all these examples, there are two ways to do it. I'm going to present the one that I think it's simpler. And note that instead of finding the definite integral first, I'm going to find the indefinite integral. And then, so I'm going to forget for a moment that it's a definite one. And then in the end, we will remember it and see how to work it out. So instead of finding from 0 to 1, I'm just going to find the indefinite integral 3x minus 2 squared. And to do that, I'm going to use u substitution. Once again, there are various candidates here for u. I'm going to choose 3x minus 2. So u equals 3x minus 2. And then as usual, we find du to be 3 dx, right? Because the derivative here is 3. And if you want to solve dx, if you want to solve for dx, you get du over 3. And now we have to substitute u and dx into my indefinite integral to get this one becomes u squared du over 3. Okay, so that's just a simple u integral. Let's see, it's 1/3 u squared du, and of course this gives you 1/3 u to the third over 3 plus c. Okay, and of course I want to change back into x. So this is 3x minus 2 to the third over 9 plus c. Okay, so that was the indefinite integral calculation here using the u substitution. And now to calculate the definite integral, since this gives you all the antiderivatives, you can choose the simplest one, which is, of course, for c equals 0. And then you can say that this integral from 0 to 1, 3x minus 2 squared dx, is nothing more than the antiderivative, so 3x minus 2 to the third over 9, from 0 to 1. Okay, so just plug in those two values into your formula and do the computations. This gives you 3 times 1 minus 2 to the third over 9, that's your first term, minus 3 times 0 minus 2 over 9 to the third over 9, that's your second term. Okay? And then, of course, this gives you 3 times 1, 3, minus 2, 1. So this is 1 cubed over 9. And the other one is 3 times 0 is 0. Minus 2 to the third is a minus 8 over 9. Then, of course, this gives you 1 over 9 plus 8 over 9. And, of course, the answer to that is 1 and not 1 over 9 that are right in the note. So please correct that one.